Hello, if you see the LM7805 datasheet, the DC input voltage, maximum DC input voltage as per the datasheet is given as 35 volts. Let us try to see and connect the 7805 IC and see how it's going to behave. On the lower side, when we see LM7805, let us see the minimum voltage for which it gives 5 volts. So you can see here input voltage required to maintain line regulation for a current less than or equal to 1 amp, which is around 7.5 volts. So that means for a given voltage of 7.5 volts or greater, we get 5 volts output. So anything less than 7.5, the regulator must not give 5 volts. That's what it meant, right? Let us see this scenario. So here we have connected 7805 and to this we have a power supply connected, and then we have multimeter which is actually we are reading the output voltage. Let us try to power up. Okay. So when we power up, we can see for a given 12.3 volts as input, we are getting 5 volts. Let us try to increase the output voltage, input voltage. And now we have, see, you can see here it is around 25 volts. Still we have 5 volts output from 7805. We are trying to increase further. So for now, we have maximum of 25 volts capacity of this supply, and we are getting 5 volts. And if we try to touch, right now we do not have a load here, but we still feel that there's some heat that is being dissipated. And let us try to see the voltage on the lower side. We have 8.43 and still we have output voltage of 5 volts. We know that 7.5 is the input, right? 7.9, and we can see there is a drop of 10 millivolts, and you can see still with 6.93 we have voltage of 5 volts here. As we can see, as we are going down at 6.33 we have 4.94 volts, and at 6 volts we have 4.68. So this basically is with the no load condition. Again, based on the load, when you connect it to this 7805, this characteristics will change. So like example, for a 1 amp load or 1.5 amp load, it changes. Okay, so try it in your boards and see how it's going to behave.